Welcome back, YouTubers. This is Nyla and Ala back, and we have a beautiful orange 1965 Ford Mustang for you today. Fastback.
The color was really called Poppy Red.
Poppy Red. It's like an orange red, yeah.
Definitely an orange car.
Really pretty.
But we have a 289 stroked, 450 dynoed horsepower.
Okay.
I can't wait to drive this car with you, Nala, and show them on YouTube
fun.
what she can do, because this car will get it in every single gear. I mean, it's got that much stroke to it. Excellent paint job. Fabulous choice in wheels. I just really
I like that, yeah, with the white.
Just one that you don't get to see, you don't get to find, and we do have it here at Skyway Classics. So I'm going to get in it. Yeah, please show off the interior if you would. Show the fit and trim on the doors is really good.
Manual transmission.
Yeah, 4-speed manual.
Updated stereo. Super duper clean.
Look at the sill plates and the door jambs now.
Yep.
Look at how clean the door panels are. Just a fabulous car, and it's a fastback. I mean, Mustangs are great all the time, but the fastbacks just really blow it away.
Sure.
My favorite year from 65 and 66, really.
Yeah, I love the style. Just so sporty. And not a huge car. So we're gonna get in it and get on it. Here we are inside the Mustang, about to hit the road.
Yep. So let me go ahead and get on it a little bit, because the car just has...
Oh, yeah.
Is that crazy or what, dude?
Spinning the tires in both gears. That's crazy.
Smoke behind us from smoking them tunders. All right, so I gave you a little bit of thrill. You weren't ready for that, so that's kind of funny. So let me buzz it through here. Get her through the gears and then get it up on the hoist so everybody can see. I told you I shocked you, didn't I?
Definitely a quick little Mustang. Yeah. And it's just as nice underneath, so in the next clips you'll see that. Thanks for tuning in, and come see us, Skyway Classics.